So the question is, are we going to lose our jobs? Welcome to another episode of Simplified Code. This is Javi. I'm a software developer with 9 years of experience, currently doing a master's degree in artificial intelligence. And if you are a developer or wanting to become a developer, then stick to the end of this video, and as I will be sharing 3 things you should be doing to stay competitive in the AI industry. So there's a lot going on right now. I've had conversations with friends about whether or not this revolution or AI revolution will take away our jobs. I think it will create new opportunities or new job opportunities in AI. So I think the time is now to start doing AI. Alright, so I'll just go for it. 3 things you should be doing now as a developer. And the number 1 thing is learn AI now. Get familiar with the concepts. You should be learning about AI as soon as possible. And yes, you might need to refresh your math as it will require some math knowledge, calculus, statistics, probability, and a few other math subjects. However, if you're into computer science, we can say you already have that knowledge in your background, so you're already covered. So I recommend online courses and tutorials such as Coursera, EDX, Udemy, and a few other platforms, books about AI and machine learning. You can also navigate through the open source community. You can try TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and a few others. Another thing you can do to learn AI is to go to conferences, meetups, try to attend to a webinar. Also try participating in a few hackathons. Alrighty, so number 2, it's make an AI project. One of the things that I always mention is that you learn by creating. So create an AI project. It doesn't matter if you're replicating something that is already there. You can create an image classifier, an object detection. You can create a recommendation system just like Netflix recommending movies. You can do a text classification and so on. Number 3, benefit from AI. Now is the time to create an AI business. So benefit from AI. Use tools like Github Copilot, copy.ai, a few other tools who are around. Create a solid project, that project you have been dreaming of. Think about a business of a software as a service or an application. Search for opportunities and execute it using AI. Alright, so remember, these 3 things. Number 1, learn AI. Number 2, make an AI project. Number 3, benefit from AI. Remember, it's important for you to keep up. So now is the time, jump, learn, and keep growing. I'll see you in the next episode.